Recording your iPhone screen can be useful in various situations. For example, if you're a teacher and want to show your students how to do something on the iPhone, or if you're participating in a beta testing program and need to send in a bug report. To record your iPhone screen, start by connecting your iPhone to your Mac with a cable. Any old iPhone charging cable will work just fine. Once connected, open up a QuickTime Player by going to Applications in a Finder window and double-click on QuickTime Player. Now, make sure to unlock your iPhone and then go up to the menu bar on your Mac and choose File, then click on New Movie Recording. A QuickTime window will pop up and it might first start to show your webcam, but don't worry, it's not recording yet. Hover your mouse over the QuickTime window and you'll see some controls show up towards the bottom of the window. Right next to the red record button, there's a small arrow pointing down. Click on that and you'll get a drop-down menu with a few different options. In the camera section, find your iPhone's name and select it. In my case, it's Mac Essentials iPhone. Under the microphone section, you're gonna want to do the same. Select your iPhone. And then under quality, select maximum, because why not record at the best setting? Now all that's left is to click on the red record button to start recording, so go ahead and do that. When you're done recording, click on the stop button in the QuickTime Player. You can now review your recording, and if you're satisfied, go up to the menu bar and choose File and then Save. Now you can rename your recording as well as choosing where to put it. So I'm just going to type in test recording and save it straight to the movies folder, which you should be able to see in the sidebar on the left. If you don't see this folder, select another folder like documents or downloads, and then just click on save. It should now be safe to close the QuickTime Player, but just to make sure, let's open up Finder, go to the movies folder and find your recording. Select the file and press on the spacebar to preview it. Press spacebar again to close the preview. And there you go, you now know how to record your iPhone screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on how to use your Apple devices.